Hello. Today, we will learn the phrasal verb fire somebody off. It has two main meanings. First, it means to send a message quickly. For example, I fired off an email to my boss. Second, it can mean to dismiss someone from a job. Like, they fired him off after the meeting. Fire somebody off is informal and often used in spoken English. You can separate the verb and the particle. For example, fire him off or fire off the message. Remember, it is different from fire at someone, which means to shoot. Be careful with the context. If you talk about messages, it means sending fast. If about people, it means firing or dismissing. Here are some examples. She fired off a quick text. They fired off complaints to customer service. The manager fired off the employee for poor work. Keep practicing these sentences. Use fire somebody off to sound more natural. Try to make your own sentences today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.